Where to start if you want to build something cool with a shipping container? If you haven't done so already, start with a plan. Your plan will illuminate many things, but most importantly, the right resources you need to have success. First, let's determine what you're building and what you need help with if you're building it yourself. Once you know what you're building, you can consider who to speak with next. An architect or a builder that has experience building with shipping containers is our recommendation. It may seem like the first thing to do is call a container supplier, but in most cases, they're not qualified to offer sound advice on requirements. Your architect or builder will have good relationships with good container companies when the time is right. The next choice is critical, and it comes down to one of two choices: building without a permit or building with a permit. If moving forward with no permit, it's time to complete your building plan and solicit bids for materials and services. If you've hired professionals to complete your project, they will do this for you, including providing all the relevant costs in their bids. If you're a DIYer, it's time to hit the internet and start searching for reputable suppliers to provide pricing. Make sure you have a target budget and timeline. This is your compass to success. If you've chosen to permit your project and you are not a professional builder, developer, or architect, hire one. You are building a structure that is no different than any other and need to follow the same rules. The only difference is you're using a shipping container as a building material. With your build team in place, it's time to choose a building path: off-site construction or on-site construction. Off-site means using a modular builder to construct your project in a factory. This is a popular approach and can save lots of time and money. Make sure your modular builder is certified in your state. On-site construction is the normal construction process. Your team of professionals will guide you through the permit process. They will present a budget and timeline, and off you go. If taking this on as owner-builder, you will need to navigate all the same paths on your own. At minimum, we recommend you hire a construction manager who has experience building with shipping containers, as the resistance to these projects by local building officials can be very challenging. While both paths may seem daunting, rest assured you're not the first to take this on, and you will get to the finish line. Our most important advice: do your research and hire professionals with good credentials. For references to qualified industry professionals, give us a call or view our website to learn more. Good luck with your shipping container project, and happy container shopping at ContainerDiscounts.com.